Hello everyone. Today's topic name is action elements. So we use action elements for JSP pages. In Java server pages, the tag JSP colon action elements is used to define actions or custom behaviors within a JSP pages. Action are way embedded Java code directly into JSP page for the task that go beyond simple template redundant. These actions provide more structured way to include Java logic within a JSP file. So, action elements are special tags in JSP to add JSP pages used for the add extra behavior of the pages. So, it is help for the include another page in one page and forward the request. Pass the parameters and add the affiliate. So JSP pages makes more powerful and modular using by the action elements. So first is a tag JSP colon include. So it tag used for the include the content of another resources like JSP, HTML or Servlet within the current JSP page. It allows modularized code reuse common component. So it is syntax is in tag JSP colon include page is equals to another JSP file. So next is a JSP forward. So it is forward the request to another page. Usually another JSP or servlet. This typically used for flow control or to delegate processing to another resources. So forward is used for the one page request to another page the forwarded. So it is after forwarding the request, original page are stops execution and another page here start the execution. So it is a good of the flow control like login check, forward dashboard. Here syntax of forward tag is JSP colon forward page and is equals to another dot JSP page. So next, third is JSP param. So it is used for the pass the parameters to another page. This is a sub element is used to conjunction with dot GSP include and JSP forward to pass parameter to include the and forwarding resources. So param tag is used for the pass parameter to the another page. So syntax of this param tag is JSP param name is equals to parameter name and value, means pass what pass you parameter, that's value, and include tag is used. Next is a JSP plugin. So it is used for the include the plugin applet for of or object into JSP page. Syntax JSP plugin type applet code my applet dot class and code base is close our tag. So plugin are used for include Java applet in a JSP pages. So it is used applet to the used today. For example, here plugin type and applet and code and class name. So these JSP action elements are part of JSP standard tag libraries, means JSTL, and are used to enhance functionality of JSP pages by providing a way interact with other resources, control flow, embedded dynamic content within the pages. So it makes JSP pages more powerful, flexible technology for building the web application. So it is used for action elements. So reuse our code with include tag and control flow. We use forward tag. Share data between the two pages like using param tag and add external component using the plugin tag. So next, certainly here examples of how to use some JSP action elements in JSP. The first examples is include. So here uh, one file is created main.jsp, and in main.jsp file we another page is included.jsp, means run the main.jsp file. So we go on included.jsp file. So here included.jsp, we write one sentence. This content is included from another JSP page. And second example is forward example. Third example is target.jsp. Means here we create the forward file. In this file we write some code, and another page name is target.jsp. So when we run forward.jsp, then we output see the in our target.jsp, means this line, this is a target.jsp page. Next is a param tag are used in example. So here another page is included.jsp. In included.jsp we accept the request of the get parameter function name, means in main.jsp included the parameter to another page. So here the examples of action elements. So we see practically of these elements. So first we created main.html. In main.html we create a include page, and included.jsp page means another page, and here we created our JSP page included.jsp. So here we write this content is included from another JSP pages. So run this main file, right click here and run as run on server. So here we run this file. So here our run file. So output screen is main page. This is content from the main page, means here this line is displayed our target.jsp. Here we see this content is included from another page, means main.html page are goes on another page, that is included.jsp. So another forward.jsp created file. In forward.jsp we write the declaration, some processing here, and here we use JSP tag, that is forward page is equal to target.jsp. So here we run forward.jsp, then we goes on target.jsp page, means this is the target.jsp page, its containers are displayed. So see here, run this forward.jsp file. So here we see the output. This is a target JSP page, means output where is a another page. So next is a parameter. So here we create a main1.jsp file. Here we include page included one.jsp, another page name, and here we write the param name is equals to name, and that value are passes to included dot one dot JSP page. So in included one dot JSP we uh, accept here the parameter using the request dot get parameter function. So here we run main dot JSP file. So we see hello John, means we pass the parameter, here we print the this parameter accepted.